Hello students, today we are back with class 6 mathematics chapter 1 part 4 Roman numerals. In this chapter we will study about the Roman numerals. So far we have studied Hindu Arabic numerals, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 written in Hindu Arabic style. But there is one more style available, that is very oldest style of numerals, that is called Roman numerals. In Roman numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 are written like you can see in the slide. Now you can compare the Hindu Arabic and Roman numerals. In Hindu Arabic 1 and in Roman numeric 1 is written as I. 2 in Roman numerals is written as 2 I's. 3 with 3 I's. 4 with I and V. 5 with V. 6 with V and I on the right side. 7 with V I. 8 with V I. 9 with IX and 10 with X. And 20 is written as XX, 30 is written as XXX, 40 is written as LX, 50 is written as L, 60 is written as LX, 70 is written as LXX, 80 is written as LXXX, 90 is written as XC, 100 is written as C, and 500 is written as D. Now there are certain rules in writing Roman numerals. So the first rule is, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added to the previous one. For example, I is equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2 and XX is equal to 10 plus 10 equal to 20. You have seen here that I is repeated after I and X is repeated after X. So their value has been added to both. Second rule is, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. For example, I is equal to 3, but I cannot be 4. It is IV is equal to 4. The third rule is, if a symbol is written on left side of bigger unit or bigger digit, its value is subtracted from bigger value. For example, IV has a value equal to 4. You can see V has the bigger value and I has the lower value. So we will subtract 5 minus 1 equal to 4. We will subtract I from the V. And similarly you can see Ix has a value equal to 9. Here X has the bigger value, that is 10, and I has the lower value, that is I. So the value will become 10 minus 1 equal to 9. The fourth rule is, if a symbol is written on right side of the bigger digit, its value is added to the bigger value. For example, Vi has a value equal to 6. We can see V's value is 5 and I is on the right side of the V, or the bigger value. So we will add 5 plus 1 equal to 6. And second, you will see Xi has a value equal to 11. Here X has a bigger value and I has a smaller value. So we will add smaller value into the bigger value. So the digit will become 10 plus 1 equal to 11. Now we will do an exercise. Write in Roman numerals 69. We will see how we write it. 69, it can be written as 60 plus 9. In the bracket, we can write 60 as 50 plus 10, then plus 9. 50 has value L, x has value 10, and 9 has value ix. So we can write it as Lx ix. So 69 can be written as Lx ix. In the second example, we will write 98 in Roman numerals. You can see 98 can be written as 90 plus 8. So 90 can be written as 100 minus 10, then plus 8. X 100 has value C and x has value 10. So we have written xc. So x value has been subtracted from C, so it will become 90. And 8 has value VIII. So the 98 can be written as XCVII. So students, this is the way how we can write the Roman numerals. I hope you would have enjoyed the class and you have understood all about the Roman numerals. Thank you very much.